Hi guys, welcome back to day 16 of our 21 day daily Webflow challenge. And I'm going to be showing you guys talking about accessibility in Webflow, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that right away. So the reason why you want to take note of accessibility in Webflow is because you want to ensure that your site is actually readable and searchable for anyone that actually comes to the website. For example, now the thing which you are going to take note of is to come here. So let's check our logo right now, and I want to see if this particular image here contains an alt text. So you can see this alt text from assets. So let me make it custom description. So I'm going to name it Megan Garcia logo, which is quite cool. So save, enter. So that has been saved. Another thing which I'm going to look at again is this image here. So let me name that custom description. You can also name it decorative. Decorative is a state whereby you just put it there. It doesn't need an alt text. It's just going to be there. See, has no semantic meaning or has limited information value. You can read that. So a decorative image has no semantic meaning, so there is no meaning to that. So while a screen reader is going on the website, it's not going to see that as an image. So what you want to do right now is to let it see that as an image. So I'll name it custom description, and under this I'm going to name it hero image. So that is cool. Next thing which I'm going to look at right now is to scroll down. So right here, the image is here too. I'm actually going to rename everything here and rename it um bash party image. Come here, rename this Moringa image. So the third one, you come here, so you rename that. Okay, you know one thing, this is actually coming from, if you look at this is actually coming from our collection page. If you look at this is actually coming from our collection page, because if you come here and come here, let's check the name of image. It actually changed to Moringa. So right now we'll go back to the collection page to actually rename this image to give it an alt attribute. So let's come to our CMS. So you are going to be checking every item there. So let's go to bash party at first. So this is bash party. So it's showing when it's created. I'm just looking at some details information about what we've done. And right here, replace image. Okay. I think when I was selecting this image, I didn't allow it to show the alt attribute. Do you understand? I didn't allow this to show the alt attribute, because if not, we would have specified the alt attribute right away or rename the image to actually show something. So let me just go and rename that on the particular home page to just be custom, because I didn't allow it to show that. The same thing as all this, the same thing as the images here, same thing as the images here. I didn't allow it to show their alt attributes. Do you understand? I didn't allow them to show their alt attributes. You can see here too. But I'm going to actually go back to the home page and ensure that I just place it as decorative, because if I pick it as the image name, because I didn't rename it, one thing you can also do is you rename all this image, like name the name to this image. You can come back to your home page here. So let's come back to home page and just set it as use alt text from asset. Do you understand? It's going to use all the alt text from the asset from wherever you're getting these images from. Do you understand? That's another thing to do. But we can't do that. Do you understand? Now we can't do that because I didn't actually allow you to have the alt text in it. Do you get? So that is one thing to take note of while naming an image and every other part on the page. We've done SEO already, and now we are doing accessibility. The same thing you are going to do for every other pages you have. So one page again which I want us to go back to. So let me go back to the home page. Let me go back to the home page and click on and okay, and preview and click on view more. So this page, we're actually going to work on this page too. You can see that. So you can see that you can rename images on this page too. So let's go back and let me see from this. This should also show from something. This is actually coming out from a place. It's actually coming out from somewhere, from project image. It's actually coming out from the collection page. Do you understand? From the CMS which you've actually created. It's actually coming out from that. So you can rename those images there right away there and ensure that it actually contains an auth attribute. Because if I use this and put custom description now and put FFF and just press enter, it's going to also going to show here. It's also going to show. Let's look at, you can see that. So we are not going to be using that. We are not going to be using that because we didn't actually name it, put that attribute while we were setting it during while we were creating the CMS. Do you understand? So that's the best way of doing it. That's the best way of doing it. So take note of that if you are building a full project and ensure that you actually give it an auth attribute, which is actually going to make it readable for users to read. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe to this channel and wait in to learn more about what we're going to be discussing in day 17. Thank you. Bye.